Today, we're going to install one of MaxLite's controls-ready, selectable 2x4 flat panel retrofit kits. We'll start by shutting off the power to the fixture at the circuit breaker. Next, we're going to remove the existing hardware while making sure to leave the power supply leads in place. Be sure to follow local regulations when disposing of the removed components. Before we go any further with the retrofit, this is a good time to place the included relamping label inside the troffer to ensure future electricians understand how the fixture has been modified. From here, it's time to install the two end plates onto each end of the existing luminaire. Once attached, we'll also attach the two side plates along the length of the troffer. For safety, we'll now secure the safety cable to the existing housing using the provided self-drilling screws. Now, we can hang the retrofit panel using the keyholes located on the end brackets. Once secure, make your wiring connections and ensure the fixture is properly grounded. Once the wiring connections are made, it's time to check your wattage and CCT settings. This product offers multiple choices for each, and changing them is as simple as sliding a switch. With our wattage and CCT settings set, it's time to gently lift the panel up into place while paying special attention to ensure the wiring doesn't get trapped between the retrofit panel and the troffer housing. Seeing as this is a controls-ready fixture, we'll also plug in one of our CMAX nodes. To do this, simply remove the silicone plugs and plug our CMAX control node into the panel's USB-C receptacle. Next, you'll want to commission the node. This process will look a little different depending on the type of node, so please refer to our CMAX commissioning guide for instructions on that part of the process. And that's how easy it is to install MaxLite's Flat Panel Retrofit Kit. Thanks for watching.